Croup. Introduction. Oxygen is necessary for life. Select true or false. Correct. Oxygen is necessary for life. Without it, a person can't live. Croup causes the larynx and vocal cords to become inflamed. Select true or false. Correct. Croup causes the vocal cords to become inflamed. Croup's cough can sound like a seal or a dog's bark. Michelle's daughter Sarah has had a hoarse cough for a few days. She has also been wheezing and has had some difficulty swallowing. Should Michelle contact Sarah's healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. A hoarse cough, wheezing, and difficulty swallowing may be signs of a problem. Michelle should contact Sarah's healthcare provider. Croup is most often caused by a virus. Select true or false. Correct. Croup is most often caused by a virus, but it can also be caused by allergies, bacteria, or stomach reflux. Does croup always need medical treatment? Select yes or no. Correct. Croup can most often be treated at home. Thank you for using Explain.